How to add link to Snapchat story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add link to Snapchat story. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Snapchat application. After that, you can take a snap. Now in order to add a link, head towards the menu bar on your right hand side. There is this clip icon. All you have to do is paste the URL right in this text box that says paste. So if you have already copied a link, simply paste on it. Now select the link from your clipboard. After that, tap on attach to snap button. Now there you go, the link has been added. Now you can share this to your story. Tap on stories button from the bottom of this interface and this story with this link will be shared. And that's the way to add link to Snapchat story. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.